What's up, marketing humans? In today's video, I will be showing you how, as a local business owner, you can use YouTube ads to stop being the best kept secret. So stick around. Okay, so here we are. We are inside the Google Ads platform. If you're not familiar with Google Ads platform, YouTube is owned by Google. And so all of your YouTube advertising will be done here in the Google Ads platform. So you'll need to have Google Ads account. You'll need to have a YouTube channel with your ad uploaded to your YouTube channel. And you will also need to have your YouTube channel and your Google Ad account linked together. Any conversion tracking. So obviously you want to, if anyone makes phone calls or, fills in a lead form, whatever, you want to make sure you're tracking those as well. Now, if you need help with the conversion tracking side, you can email me, my team. We'll be more than happy to help you set that up. You can find my email in the description below. It's the easiest way to get a hold of us, just through email. So anyways, enough jibber jabber. Let's get into this. So we're inside our YouTube ads platform, our Google Ads platform. You've already uploaded your ad to your YouTube channel. Everything's linked, all conversion tracking is done, and we are ready to rock and roll. So the first thing we need to do is we need to you'll come to screen. It'll probably look something like this, okay? New campaign right here. If not, if you don't see that there, you can just click on the campaigns here, come there, and you can find it in there. But new campaign, and then we come to this screen here. Now what we want to do is we want to do awareness and consideration. Okay, so this isn't like a lead generation campaign. It's completely different. This is we are just broadcasting our message to the masses in whatever location we're deciding. So if you're a plumber or electrician or a chiro or physio or whatever you may be, a cleaning agency, whatever you are, okay, you just want to get your brand, your message out there, so you are no longer the best kept secret. Okay, so we're going to choose awareness and consideration. Now, campaign type, we want to choose video. Okay, now you have two options here: video views, video reach, ad sequence, audio, and YouTube subscription engagement. Okay, we want to go with video views. Okay, so we click on continue. Right, start new. Now, your naming convention, however you want to name it whatever you want. Okay, usually what I do is I'll put the audience going out to, so broad, for example, because you want to do broad with this type of targeting, this type of advertising. Broad, then whatever the ad is, so ad name, and then the date. So it could be whatever date is. All right, you can use something like that. All right, just keep it simple, something that you understand. Okay, makes it very easy. Multi-format ads. Okay, this is very important. We don't want to show up in shorts, and we don't want to show up in feeds. In feed ads, they're like stagnant ads. They're not even videos. They're just like image-based ads. So those are good, but not for what you want to do. So we want to just do skippable in-stream ads. These are the ads that they show up as someone's watching a piece of content. They show up at the beginning, to the end, they may show up in the middle, okay? And they can skip after 5 seconds, okay? That is the platform. That is the area we want to be playing in. Bid strategy, we only have one option here, target CPV. Target CPV means target cost per view. How much do you want to pay per view, okay? And a lot of times you can get views for like a cent. Sometimes less than a cent. Okay, the cheapest I've seen is like 0.6 of a cent for a view. Okay, and a view, just in case you don't know, a view by Google's definition is someone who has watched your entire ad, clicked on your ad, all right, or watched at least 30 seconds of your ad. Okay, so a view is someone that's relatively engaged with your business, with your ad. That's what that is. We only have one option, so we only have one option, so it's very simple. Target CPV. Now, you can do campaign total. So if you want to say, look, I only want to spend, $500 on this. Okay, I'm going to start on today, January 13th, 2025, and I want to end in 2 weeks. Okay, or I want to go for a month, or I want to end on a specific date. Okay, you can do that. Or in many cases, you just want to look, I want to spend a daily budget, and I only want to spend $10 a day. Whatever you decide you want to do with this, go right ahead. Most of my clients, they usually just do a daily and they spend $10 a day. And they just let it run and run and run and run. And then when they create a new ad, we'll just plunk a new ad in there and let that run and run and run. So it's entirely up to you as to what you want to do with this. Okay. Scrolling down here, networks. This is the traffic trap. You do not want to show up on video partners or the display network. That would just kill your ad budget. You only want to show up on the YouTube network. So just youtube.com. Okay. Trust me. So unclick that. Location. Obviously, because you're a local business, you may not be going countrywide or worldwide. So most of the time, I imagine you'll be around, you could be say what your address is. You can do a radius around your address. Okay. So we go advanced search and just say we go radius. And let's just say I want to go Marshall Street. Okay. Let's just do Marshall Street, Wheat Ridge, Colorado. Okay. 25 miles around that. Boom. So you could put in whatever your business address is, right? And do a radius around that. Obviously, if you're servicing an entire state, you can just pick the state. So you can go location and add in Colorado, right? Include, boom, do all of Colorado. All right. Most of the people that I work with, they just do like a radius around a specific address. We hit save. Once that's done, obviously English, if you're advertising in an English speaking area, obviously you want to be doing English. Related videos, do not worry about this. I know why they have it in there. Don't worry about it. Additional settings, devices. This is important. Okay. Set specific targeting for devices. You want to remove TV screens. Okay. The only people that are going to be clicking on your ad on a TV screen will be kids, and it'll usually be by accident. And you don't want to pay for that. Okay. So just have mobile phones, computers, and tablets, and you'll be good to go with that one. Frequency capping. I usually like to have like a monthly frequency cap. So I usually will show my ad to the same person, four or five times in 1 month for this type of campaign. You don't really want to be showing it over and over and over and over again, because that's going to eat up your budget. So you want to try and get as many people to see your ad within a specific time frame. So I usually do 4 impressions per month. Ad scheduling, you can do all day. You can change this to do whatever you want. So if you want to do Monday to Fridays, specific times, or you can do specific days. Honestly, most of the time, I just do all day, and I just leave it as is. All day. Let's keep it simple. Third-party measurement, we don't worry about that. That's nothing you need to be worried about. Ad group name. This is where we're going to put in our audiences, okay? In this case, I'm going to do broad. If you're like a specialty, like you want to target a specific type of person, you can do that. I have a video that shows you how to create audiences for your YouTube ads. That'll be in a different video. You can find the link above or in the description below. 90% of the time, what I've seen is most people just do broad, okay? And usually it's going to be like 35 plus, right? 35 plus humans, because those are the people who are going to have money. You can target 18 to like 25-year-olds, but most of those don't really have a lot of money. Again, it depends on who you want to target. Maybe you do want to target younger people, okay? Entirely up to you. But in this case, we're going to do broad 35 plus year olds. Okay, so we come down here. So we have our demographics. So we're not going to do any in-depth targeting here. We'll leave all this as is, except for our demographics. We're going to click on this, and we're going to go here. We're going to go 35 to say 64. Or you can do 35 to 65 plus. Depends on who you're targeting, right? On what, who your typical client is, who your dream client is. Again, I won't get too much into this audience part here. I'll do this in a separate video. I'm just trying to keep this very simple for you guys. So then we come down here, audience expansion. We're not going to worry about audience expansion because we were already doing broad targeting here. So we'll leave that alone. Content. So you can, with this type of advertising, you can put your ad on specific type of content. If there are videos around certain keywords, you can put them in here. You can do around certain topics. I'd probably do more topics rather than keywords or placements. So on here, you can topics, and there's a whole slew of topics you can show on. It just depends on what your business is, what your services are, and where your dream clients will be looking on YouTube. Like if you have a specific service that solves a specific problem that people may be searching on YouTube, you can say, look, I want to, put my ads on this sort of topic, okay, that's around that problem. So yeah, but usually we just want to leave it broad, okay? We just want to show our ad to everyone in this specific area so they know who we are, where we are, and how we can help them. And then we had our ads, okay? So what you want to do is you want to create your ad. I'll do another video on how to create a YouTube ad, how to do a YouTube ad script. You can find that in the link description below or up here. I'm just clicking the card that pops up in the right-hand corner, and you can check that out, all right? But once you have your YouTube ad uploaded to your channel, you want to grab the URL, the video URL, and you want to plunk it right there, okay? Put it there. Put your URL right here. So I'm just going to smudge this. Okay, easy peasy. Don't worry too much about the display URL. We can have a call to action. So it could be, call now or learn more. If I can spell, learn more. Or it could be book now, or whatever kind of call to action you want them to take. That's what you put there. Okay, learn more. Okay, that's what I usually have. Headline. It could be, for example, now you only have like 30 characters here, so you got to be really careful as to what you be very limited to what you put here. So headline could be, just say for example you're a cleaner, right? And you have a special going on. You could put $25 one-time special, whatever it may be, or $25. Oh, again, typing's terrible. One-time special. Okay, something that's going to catch. So if you can see right here, this is what it looks like on mobile devices, and this is what it looked like on desktop or laptop. Okay, that's what they'll see. If I'm being 127,000% honest, these don't make too much of a difference. Okay, your call to action is important, your short headline is important, but your long headline, your description, not so important. Put whatever here you want in your long headline. It is required. You can just put 25 one-time special on a 3-room clean, whatever it may be. Okay, description, book now before all spots are filled. So again, don't get hung up on the long headline or the description. Okay, they're not overly that important. I mean, you only see these ones, I believe, on the desktop. Don't worry about them too much. Ad name, obviously it could be ad 1, ad 2. If you have a specific hook in an ad, it could be the name of the hook that you do. But whatever you want to put here, whatever's easy for you to read and understand, put it there. Now, our bid. This is saying here, you can improve your campaign's potential reach by performance using a bid of 0.05. Okay. So what I like to do is whatever they say, I will double it. So I'll go 0.1. Now, what that means is you'll pay 10 cents per view. Sorry, let me rephrase that. You will put out a bid of 10 cents per view. Okay. Now, will you pay 10 cents per view? No, you won't. Okay. In most cases, you'll pay anywhere. The highest I've seen with these sorts of campaigns is 3 cents a view. Right. So you pay 3 cents for someone to watch your entire ad, to click on your ad, or watch 30 seconds of your ad. That's like the highest I've seen is 3 cents. Right, with these sorts of campaigns. As I said, the lowest I've seen is like half a cent or 0.6. All right. But what this will do by putting a high bid here, right? What that will do is that will allow you to be shown more, to have your to outbid other competitors who may be competing against you. Yeah, that's what I normally do. Okay. And again, once you have some data, you'll be able to see how much it's costing you per view. Okay. If it's over like 3.5 cents, I'll be super surprised. And then you basically just hit create campaign. It'll go through, it'll create the campaign. You'll click continue to overview. And once it shows up, we will see it. Boom. Here we go. And this is our new campaign. Right. So this will run every day. Spend $10 a day. It'll take roughly 24 hours for it to be approved. And once it's approved, it may take another day for it to start running. So if it hasn't started running, within a day and a half or so, don't freak out. Just give it a couple of days, and you should start seeing impressions and views coming in. Okay, and that's it. That's literally how simple it is to create these sorts of campaigns for your local business. Now, if you guys would like to have help with this, if you want like an agency option or a coaching option, or if you just want to have some kind of like a strategy call with me, just email me. I'll put my support email in the description below. That's the easiest way to get a hold of me is through email. And if you have any questions, put them in the comments. Like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. It helps my business grow, and it helps my channel grow. And we will see you guys in the next video.